So, you want to play Sonic Riders, but you can't read the Discord rules and downloads page. That's okay. I'm gonna walk through it today and try and explain it to literally everyone how to do this quickly, painlessly, and simply as possible. First things you're gonna need is to join the Discord. Now, the Discord link I am gonna paste in the description. But when you get that, you will be redirected to the Discord and you will see the Getting Started channel. Now, all you have to do on this page is read the rules and so on and so forth and click on Jet the Hawk. That way, you'll have access to some of the channels that are here. The next thing you're going to want to do is get Dolphin, and this is pretty easy. If you go to the links of downloads page, you will see there's a link here, the second link to the Dolphin emulator. So you're going to click on this, you're going to click on this blue button, and you're going to click on the very top one. It actually doesn't matter which one you get because Dolphin likes to auto update, and Dev Dolphin in particular auto updates about every day or every 2 days. So once you have that, you're going to right click here, you're going to click show in folder. You're going to notice that my download has this weird 3-book in a binder picture next to it. This is because I have a program called WinRAR installed. If you want to get WinRAR, you just type it into Google and it'll be the first one on the page. Just click on the blue button and then click on this down here and then install it and you should be good to go. If you want to use an alternative extractor like 7-zip or WinZip, you can do that as well. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use WinRAR. So after you've done that, what you want to do is find it, right click, and then click extract here. Oh wait, never mind. Click extract files and put it somewhere that you want it to be saved. In my case, I've already done this and mine is saved in my storage drive. So if I go to my storage drive, program files, I've extracted mine to this folder here, Dolphin x64. I have multiple instances of Dolphin, which is why you see 2 things here. But extract it wherever you want to. Once you've done that, open Dolphin, and you'll be greeted with this. And that's okay. This is exactly what you want. If you don't see this, go to the tech support channel in the Discord, and somebody will help you with that. So the next thing you want to do, apart from set up your controller, which is pretty easy, you just select standard controller in the drop-down, click configure, and then select your controller from this drop-down and bind your buttons accordingly. The next thing you want to do is actually get the game. So the way 1.3 works is you will need an ISO of either Sonic Riders or Sonic Riders 1.2.5 TE, and you will also need the patcher. The patcher for 1.2.5 is here, and the patcher for vanilla is here. You will need the vanilla NTSC ISO, I should stress. But for the purposes of this, I'm going to use the 1.2.5 patcher. I will also provide a link to 1.2.5 myself for you to use. So you will click save here, and then you will get a similar file here. Let's go and have a look at this in the folder. There we go. And let me get rid of that. You will see that I already have this downloaded. I don't know why this is giving me this error. You'll see I already have the patcher downloaded here. So what you want to do here is right click, extract files again. You can put this wherever you want. It doesn't have to be anywhere in particular. So I'm going to put this in some random place where I have lots of space. And you'll get this file arrangement here. So you will then need to download the ISO, which is in the link. and save that. Well, you don't need to save it actually, you could just leave it in the downloads folder. I am gonna move it myself to the games folder that I have in my Dolphin folder, because I like to put all my games next to Dolphin. And now what you want to do is go to this xdelta file, open xdelta UI.exe. Where it says source file, you want to click open. This is where we're going to direct it to SRTE 1.2.5, which is this. You're going to click open. On the patch file, what you want to do is go back to the folder where you have this xdelta, and you want to click on this xdelta file, open. You don't want to name your output file, name it whatever you want, it honestly doesn't matter. I'm going to name this, I don't know, DEF456. .iso. The only thing that matters here is you name it .iso at the end. You then click ... and then you want to save this wherever you want to save your games. So in my case, all my games are saved inside my Dolphin folder here. Then you click save. I didn't name it. Save, and then you click patch. It might say not responding up here. If it does, don't worry about it. Like this. That means it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. And there we go, file patched successfully. So once you have that, you are basically done. You have your SRTE 1.3 ISO. The next thing you want to do is go back to Dolphin, and you'll see that Dolphin won't know where anything is. And that's easy to fix. What you want to do is click config, click paths, click add, and then go to your Dolphin folder and go to this games folder, or wherever you have saved your games in your particular circumstance. Click select folder. You also want to tick search subfolders, because this makes finding games a whole lot easier. If you want to categorize your games within your games folder, you can do that and tick search subfolders, and it will come up with everything. And that's it. It's that simple. This is the SRT 1.3. If you want to play it offline, just double click, open it, and there you go, you get the game loading. If you, on the other hand, want to play online, that's also really easy. Click Tools, Start NetPlay, and then Host. Click here, click Host, and copy your code and give this to your friends. And if you want to connect, it's the same thing, except instead of going to the Host tab, you go to the Connect tab and paste the code you get in here. Make sure you have Traversal Server on this dropdown. And that's it. Really simple. If anyone has any questions, do come to the tech support channel in the Discord, or leave a comment. Hopefully this helps.